Pakita si Haring Araw. We are here at the mansion. Our first stop today.
So many people are Ako na mo naman.
Picture ako ito doon.
People selling right now.
Yes, because this is Baguio. Panahon, and we're still here at the mansion. We're here.
Dito, no?
Oh, the right part. Ay, dito gusto mo mag-picture? Where are you now, ate?
At the mansion. I don't know where are we going
Oh,
next.
this is the right part.
Huh?
Right part.
Right part? Up part?
Yes.
Late. What's this?
You want to take picture there? Dito ka. Doon sa pwesto.
Okay, Kobe.
Bakit? Kobe, Kobe. Sa Ases. Tapak pa naman.
Bawal yun.
Dito, ha? Yung paa mo kasi nalagay sa short ko, nahubalan ako. Nalagay niya dito, oh.
Parang babagsak na naman,
Pagdating doon, balik na tayo.
Oo, kaya nga eh. At least meron ka na sa mahiwagang ng Baguio.
Ito kasi yung sikat dito.
Oh, most popular. Dito lang, malapit lang.
Pagdating doon pa doon.
Ayan, siguro dyan lang sa may bungad.
Noong pumunta kami dito, hindi masyadong tao, kaya ang ganda.
Please, look.
Hi, guys. We're just walking around, like jogging. walking. Yes.
Hello, we are here in this botanical garden. Are you excited, ate?
Yeah. Are we gonna see flowers and other type of plants?
Surprise!
I can't wait to go inside.
At least, ate, bago tayo, bago umuwi.
Nakawa.
Parang naulan.
Those are Igorot.